Let's be honest, we all want to look slimmer and confident in our clothes. But here is the truth, it's not only about dieting and wearing shapewear or expensive brands. It's also about those tiny outfit tricks, the proportion and illusions that instantly makes you look slimmer. And I'm spilling them all today. Here's the secret. Your outfit needs to work with your natural body proportion. If your top is long and your bottoms are short, you instantly break the line. If your pants are too tight around your hips, it tends to add bulk in the wrong places. So aim for balanced silhouettes, top and bottom with complementary length. For example, crop tops with high-waisted skirts has a way of elongating your leg, minimizing the midsection. Secondly, vertical lines and structure. Most people don't like horizontal lines, but I'm here to tell you that they can be very helpful because vertical and diagonal lines create slimmer illusion. Vertical pleats and jackets has a way of elongating your torso. Diagonal patterns has a way of camouflaging your lower belly. And don't forget, structured fabrics has a way of holding your shape compared to fabrics that stick to your body like stretchy fabrics. And next we have high waist streaks. Anything high waisted are your best friends because they have a way of making you look slim. However, they're very small. Pair high-waisted bottoms with a tucked-in top or even a cropped blouse. Also add a pointed toe shoe, nude heels or shoes that match your skin tone because they have a way of extending your leg line. High-waisted trousers that has a vertical split sole on the trouser is perfect for your body because it has a way of making you look longer and slimmer than solid pants alone. And let's talk layering secret. Layering is not only about staying warm. When done right, does the trick. Long line blazers, cardigan, or vest create vertical line that elongates your torso. Avoid jackets that stops at your widest point because they make you look wider. Full layering is better than close layering for slimming the midsection. If your top is layered, you can wear fitted bottoms to create that clean silhouette. And next we have accessories and color hacks. Accessories are not just decorations, they guide the eyes. Statement earrings, a simple necklace has a way of pulling the eyes upward, away from the midsection. Belt also works, but only above the natural waist. This has a way of tricking the eye. Darker shades around problem areas has a way of hiding the problem, but don't avoid print. Strategic print like vertical, diagonal patterns flatters your body and makes you look slim. Next we have posture and confidence. Try to have a good posture while standing, sitting and walking. A well put together outfit looks better with energy. Always smile because people will always notice your confidence. Try this outfit secret and see how much confidence you feel. If you love this video, always click save to come back to it. Also hit this subscribe button so you can get the notification when next I upload my video. You can also click on the like button so you can see more videos like this. Till our next episode, thank you so much for watching.